Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying system readiness. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated and GPU drivers are current. Once done, free roughly 500 MB for the app and assets. Next, pick a live wallpaper app, Wallpaper Engine for Steam, Lively for free open source, or Rainmeter for widgets. Choose based on budget and control. Install the chosen app and grant necessary permissions. This step unlocks desktop animation. After install, restart the app so it can detect your display and GPU correctly. You now configure and import a wallpaper. Open the app and set a resolution profile that matches your monitor. This prevents stretching. Import source files, video, GIF, or an HTML5/web wallpaper, or browse the Steam Workshop for ready-made themes. Once loaded, tweak performance settings, lower FPS or quality, or reduce GPU usage to save power. Make sure audio is muted if you don't want sound. Save the profile as default so the wallpaper loads every boot. Finish by setting the wallpaper to auto-start with Windows so it's persistent. You should test behavior with full-screen apps and games. Enable pause on full screen or reduce priority if necessary. If you see stuttering or black screens, make sure no other app controls the desktop. Disable other customizers, update GPU drivers, and try switching rendering mode in the wallpaper app. If problems persist, lower quality settings or switch to a lighter wallpaper format. That usually resolves performance and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.